So we are here with longtime Crest customers, Isen Robbins and Laura Stucin, in their lovely backyard here in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. So tell us a little bit about the history of this lovely garden here.
Well, we moved in 1994, and there were a few plants here. The lily of the valley, a couple of hostas, and a couple of trees, and that was it. And I talked to the landlord about putting a few pots out there, and so I just started with a few herb pots that are in the back, and then every year just more and more and more and more and more.
And this is very, very specific. I mean, you're covered by...
It's a tough conditions because, so this is south, and the building blocks most of the light, and then it's basically like a canyon, so it's shady except for 11 to 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
So it's been a bit of a trial and error to see what works.
One of the things I think about the garden is one day we may not live here. So all of this is designed to leave. So there's a door that leads out to a garbage chute, out to the truck that will take us, take everything away. So everything has been planted in a manner,
this is all plant pots.
in a way that it can go through that doorway on a dolly and gone.
That's really smart, because you don't think about that unless you're doing urban gardens specifically, because you might not always be in that apartment. How can I make sure that all of this hard work can come with me? So that's genius.
I know what this place looks like when you don't water.
Yeah, fair enough.
Like, so nothing will live.
Awesome. Well, this street that we're on, Devou Street, is where they're in the book where Tree Grows in Brooklyn takes place. So, and my mom, when she emigrated from Italy, grew up on Devou Street. So being able to see this all firsthand really means a lot to me, and I can't thank you guys enough for your time.
We were
Thank
so
you so
happy to
much.
have you
Really
here.
appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks
Awesome.
for coming.
Thanks so much for tagging along on our urban garden tour. If you want to learn even more, come visit me at Spoga Gafa in Cologne this September. Auf Wiedersehen.